Hi, I'm Paul Virostek, sound editor at Pole Position Production. Many of our sound libraries include dozens of performed sound effects. These are recordings of specific vehicle elements, isolated for easy placement in your projects. Let's listen to some sound effects from our Cessna 208 airplane sound library. For this library, specific sound effects are recorded with a Neumann RSM 191 microphone, as well as a Talinga parabolic dish. Let's listen. Stay tuned, we have more sound library features arriving soon.